Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Bowie H1 Pro, and I've also reviewed the Baseus Bowie H1i, the H1, and the H12s as well as the D05s. So I think the Pros are going to be an improved version of all four of those headphones. Out of the five, these are probably going to be the best go-to when it comes to overall style, design, listening experience, and comfort. So let's jump into the unboxing of the Baseus Bowie H1 Pros. But if you're brand new to the crew, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So I was actually able to get the Baseus Bowie H1 Pros for like $34, but they are marked down right now at $59.99 from the original $99.99. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. But these are going to pack some really good noise cancellation when it comes to the audio. They're also going to have some spatial acoustic features, which we'll get into in a little bit more detail, as well as some really good drivers when it comes to the experience because of the codec. So obviously, these are going to be the H1 Pros, which is more of an improved version of the H1s and the H2s and the H1Is. These are going to give you the sticker inside of the box as well as the user manual and the warranty guide. To come with the Type-C short cable, which can charge these with the Baseus rapid charge technology, giving you a lot of hours just by putting them on the charger for like 10 minutes. I think it's like something crazy like 10 hours. And when you put them on there for 10 minutes, but these are going to give you like 80 hours with the ANC off. And then when the ANC is on, it's going to give you 60 hours. So you're getting that stable Bluetooth 5.3 connection. These won't have a 3.5 cable, so I just want to mention that. But these are going to have high res audio. And I wanted to talk about their high res audio, which supports 96 kilohertz and 24-bit lossless audio, but it's also going to give you the LHDC audio decoding, which actually transmit 1,000 kilobytes, what I'm saying, per second, which is going to be triple the sound quality that you would get from SBS. So these are going to be really good with that. And then with the LHDC audio decoding, it does give you low latency when it comes to the audio. So I think that's going to be another solid thing. Baseus also gives you dual access drivers, so you get a 40 millimeter driver and then you get a 10 millimeter driver for high frequency, and 48 dBs of noise cancellation on here, which is effectively going to eliminate indoor and outdoor ambient noises so that you can enjoy your music without any disturbances. And so I found that when I did put the ANC on these headphones on, I did notice it was extremely hard to hear myself and my surroundings. So you could also toggle on the transparency mode on these headphones, which will actually give you a clearer listening experience when you have these headphones on. And so you could hear things a lot easier, especially your outdoor environment and the noises around you. So these are going to have that golden label certification with the LHDC, which I think is a little bit better than LDAC because it has better low latency when it comes to the audio. And it's basically the same listening experience that you're getting with that, 1,000, bytes of per second of information coming at you when it comes to the listening experience. So you're going to be able to customize it with your EQ modes, and you could also customize it with a custom EQ mode. You also get the ability to change between ANC, ambient mode, and normal mode. The Baseus H1 Pro. It's just a quick microphone test outdoors, so it's a little bit windy right now. So this is a quick microphone test on here, give you an idea what the audio quality is actually sounding like when it comes to these headphones. But on a scale of 1 to 10,
Let me know what you guys think about these earphones, these headphones. Let me know if you can hear me while I'm talking. But I'm in an outdoor environment and the wind is blowing, so it should give you a pretty decent idea of what it would sound like when there's a little bit of background noise and interference when I'm talking. So just rate these microphones. Let me know what you guys think about the Baseus Bowie H1 Pros when it comes to the overall listening sample, okay?
So as far as the microphones went on the Baseus H1 Pros, I didn't have any issues with that. As far as the touch controls, they're pretty straightforward. On the right side is where you will get your volume up and down and your multifunction button along with your power button. On the left side, you're going to get your ANC button, which will control your spatial audio as well as the ANC and transparency. If you double tap on the multifunction button, which is on the right side, it can enter gaming mode, which is cool. And then obviously you're going to get your up and down for your volume and up and down for moving the tracks forward and back. So you get complete touch controls when it comes to these. And obviously it's going to be a pretty seamless experience with the precise touch controls so that you can activate gaming modes. You can also use multiple devices and connect them at the same time with the dual connection so that you can, set up one device on here, pair another device, and then kind of switch back and forth without having to unpair them, which is going to basically make these really nice. These come in the black or the moon white, and the cluster black actually looks pretty solid, but I decided to go with the white pair. As far as the gaming mode, you're definitely going to be impressed with the low latency gaming mode on here. It's going to deliver a stable connection as well. And so, when it comes to the gaming, they're offering the dual low latency channel on here. So you get the dual channel low latency, which is going to help with the perception of the voice and the words and the visual all coming through together to actually synchronize perfectly. And then you're going to get boosting with the spatial perception, intensifying ambience with the acoustic mode on here, which is going to deliver spatial audio. These also have a really nice, comfortable, high protein artificial leather. And I don't know if you can actually take off the ear cups after a long period of time, like in case you wanted to replace them over a long period of time. But I do know that the ones that come on here are extremely comfortable and spongy. So they're definitely going to be nice when it comes to listening to music for long periods of time. They also have an angle audio outlet, which is tilted directly toward your ear to eliminate discomfort and relieve any stresses on here. So they're definitely built very well when it comes to the construction with the materials and the ergonomic design. They're going to have high res certification as well, which is going to allow you to listen to third-party music in high fidelity. You also can use these with the LHDC audio transmission, which is going to give you around 900 kilobytes per second on a listening session. And obviously when it comes to the gaming, it's going to be very nice as well, because you're also going to get 40 millimeter full frequency driver as well as a 10 millimeter high frequency driver. So they're going to give you that, quadruple the immersive experience when it comes to listening to music on here. It's definitely going to be high frequency with the 40 kilohertz, which is definitely going to pack a punch and offer a very, predominant sound stage. But do me a quick solid. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here. So I know you're still kicking it with me and rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.